I'm in the process of purchasing a new center console. My choices are Mercury or Yamaha 250/300. Can you discuss your reliability numbers versus the Yamaha? Thank you.
Yeah, I would say, especially with our new V6 and V8 product, they've gone through, thousands of hours of testing before they even leave our facility as part of the program. From a reliability standpoint, we continue to improve on our warranty rates, continue to provide, a good experience for customers. I think historically, people would say, if you want reliability, you go Yamaha. If you want performance, you go Mercury. But I think with our, with a lot of our recent product introductions, we're really changing that. We're continuing to improve on our reliability, continuing to make that experience better for customers. I think we have, one of the leading reliability numbers and lowest warranty numbers in the industry.
Here's my take on that. I'm a big Mercury guy. I'm a big Yamaha guy too. I think that they are two of the most spectacular engines on the market. What I've found to realize is, first of all, I'm going to say that Mercury is definitely a excellent run company. Mercury's product is superb, but I think that even more impressive is how awesome you guys are as a company. Right here in America, right here in Fond du Lac for the bigger engines, and Wisconsin, and just dealing with Mercury from an ownership standpoint, I think is a spectacular experience. And you've heard that a lot. If you want the performance, get the Mercury. If you want the reliability, get the Yamaha. You want to know when I stopped saying it? I stopped saying that when you guys came out with the 150, with that 4-stroke, the Operation Bedrock. And if I'm correct, that's the whole point of that engine, was to kind of shift that paradigm and say, hey, we're going to be known as reliability too. And there's charter guys out there. I know charter guys. You could probably smash these numbers. I know guys up in New England putting 5,000 hours on those 150s. How many guys do you know out there that are putting 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 hours on a 150 Mercury? And that's kind of when I was like, okay, enough with that whole Mercury is not reliable talk. They are reliable engines, and that was the whole point of developing that 150 in the first place.